Neither the patient nor the patient's family members. This time, several specialist doctors, including the Chief Minister's personal guard, got stuck in the elevator due to the sudden breakdown of the lift at the GB hospital, which is known as the main referral hospital of the state. Health department felt no shame. Instead, the citizen had to suffer from second-hand embarrassment due to their irresponsible actions. GB Hospital is known as the main referral hospital in the state. Every day, many patients from different parts of the state rush to GB Hospital for medical services. But because of the weak role of the GB Hospital authorities, they have to suffer almost every day. There is no end of complaints, especially about the lift of GB Hospital. On Monday, the lift suddenly broke down at GB Hospital. Once again, this incident happened again on Wednesday. However, on this day, not the patients or their families, but the personal guard of the Chief Minister himself. Several specialist doctors of the hospital got stuck in the broken lift. The Chief Minister's personal guard and the hospital specialist doctor are said to be stuck in the lift. There is no way to hide your face in shame.
লিফটে আপনি কই যাইতাছিলেন মানে কি ওখানে কি কার প্রোগ্রাম
कैसे आ रही है यार इसे आप पर सुविधा प्रोग्राम
লিফট কতজন ছিলেন
কতজন ছিলাম 10 জনের মতো হইব
আপনারা কোথায় যাচ্ছিলেন কোথায় যাচ্ছিলেন
ওই তো সিএম স্যারের প্রোগ্রামে
তো কে কে ছিল এই ভিতরে লিফটে
ছিল ওখানে আপনি ফ্যাকাল্টি ছিল
হ্যাঁ তো এই বিবেচনায় লিফট হঠাৎ করে আটকে থাকে এটা কি কারণে
এটা তো টেকনিক্যাল যারা তারা বলতে আমরা তাদের সাথে জিজ্ঞেস করব
আচ্ছা
However, health department has not waken up till now. The department felt no shame. Instead, the citizens had to suffer from second-hand embarrassment due to their irresponsible actions. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.